on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at the Orlando International Airport and we're gonna bring you with us on our Brightline train ride. Right now we're traveling from Orlando to Miami Central Station on Brightline. That's the newest train they have here in South Florida to connect the tip of Florida to the Central Florida region. We're going all the way from Orlando to Miami via West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, and other cities along the way. I'm gonna bring you with us. I'm gonna show you what they have here at the station and I'll show you what the ride is like. Should be pretty interesting. It'll be our first time riding in a train apart from Amtrak here in the US, so let's see what the experience is like. We're about to enter right now. Check it out. I'm traveling as a family with my daughter, my son, and my wife, and we're heading all the way down to Miami. We bought 4 tickets. We only paid for 2 tickets because we have one infant who is free and then a toddler under 3 years old who is also free. We bought the Smart Saver fare, and unfortunately we missed our train, so we actually were supposed to get onto the 5:50 a.m. train, but we missed it. So just to let you know, you have a 4-minute grace period in order to make an accommodation with Brightline to get onto another train. If you miss that grace period, then they do charge you extra, so keep that in mind. That's what we were told when we got here. Let's go see what it's like inside the station, see what they have to offer. We have about 50 minutes until the next train. That is the entrance to the train station right behind me there. You just have to go in, scan your tickets, and then you get into the lounge area. It's really nice and modern. I'm going to show you guys what it's like right now. Let's go check it out. This is what it's like heading inside, folks. So we just have to scan our tickets by the kiosk here to get in. This is what you see as you walk in. We got some departure screens here, advertisement screens, and then they have this cool map right here, as you can see, the map of South Florida. And we're in Orlando, and we're heading down to Miami, down from Kissimmee, further down, past West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Jupiter, etc. Now, they do have a premium lounge on that side, which you have to pay extra for. Right in the center here, they have merchandise, drinks, food. They have a bar just in the middle as well, where you can grab drinks. And this is what the other side looks like. That's the main waiting area if you're not premium, which we aren't. Just in the middle they have a big screen here. Then we have a second area which we just came through, and that's where the bar is, which is called Mary Mary. This is their washroom area, and they do have the premium lounge just adjacent to that, and you'd have to scan again to get into the premium lounge. Inside the premium lounge, they do offer drinks, food, and so on before your trip. Pretty cool setup in here, very modern. We are just above the train lines. We're one level above, and you can see the Brightline train down there, and that's the train heading all the way down to Miami. This train will be boarding in about 35 minutes. For now, we're gonna grab some coffee. Let's go. They do serve breakfast here at Mary Mary as well. So this is what the breakfast menu looks like. And we're about to order some coffee here. We had to wake up at like 4:30 a.m. Check it out. We just grabbed a latte and a cappuccino here at the Brightline Mary Mary bar. We're here waiting on our train. It departs at 6:50. Right now it's 6:34. It would cost us about $160 to ride from the Orlando Brightline station all the way down to the Miami Central station. And we're heading down to Miami for the day to check it out, head to the beach, head to the Fountain Blue Miami Beach and see what that's like. Brightline is one of quite a few trains that run here in Central and South Florida. So you have the Sunrail, which runs through Central Florida, and then Brightline connects Southern Florida with Central Florida. There's also Amtrak that runs here as well. Quite a few options. Check their website websites to see their service options and see if it's right for you for your transit through South Florida. So I'm here with my family. This is my daughter, Sweet Pea, and my wife and son is just over on the other side. You want to say hi? Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
What do you want to say?
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol?
Yeah.
That's what you want to say?
Yeah.
Check it out, folks. So we are boarding right now. Quite a few people on this trip to Miami today. It's absolutely pouring outside. Looks like there's going to be a thunderstorm in Central Florida all the way down to South Florida today. Let's head inside and see what it's like. Heading out right now. Got Dorothy and Ari over there.
Welcome to Brightline. Please secure oversized tagged baggage in the baggage tower at the ends of each coach. Store smaller baggage and personal items in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Restrooms are located near the exits. As a reminder, smoking or vaping is strictly prohibited on all Brightline properties. For the safety and comfort of all guests, please follow all posted signs, code of conduct policies, and train attendant instructions. Scan the QR code at your seat to order food, beverages, and travel items delivered to you. Menus are also located in the seat back pocket. Thank you for choosing Brightline and enjoy the ride.
Alright, so we are on time, folks, but it's absolutely pouring outside, and it is very early in the morning. It's about 6:50 a.m. and you can see the airport there. We're going by right now. Not much to see because it's really dark and gloomy, but hopefully it brightens up along the way. So this ride is slated to take about 3.5 hours. We should be getting into Miami Central at about 10:30 a.m. thereabout. We were supposed to get there at 9:30 a.m. but we missed our initial train, which left at 5:50. We got to the Brightline station at 5:54. We're on the next train right now. They have easy access to Wi-Fi on the train as well, as you can see. Just gotta fill in your details here. And it looks like it is required for you to access the Wi-Fi to put in your name, email, and postal code. We're gonna test the speed of the train right now, folks. Let's see how fast we're going. Brightline describes themselves as a high-speed rail, so we'll see how high-speed they are. It looks like we're currently going 185 kilometers per hour, and in miles per hour, we're at 115. I believe they said they get as fast as 200 kilometers per hour, so it's pretty close. Let's take a look at what they have on the train to eat here. They have quite a bit of refreshments, so they have all-day breakfast actually. That includes strawberry yogurts, muffins, loaves, fruit cups, and so on. Over here they have bento boxes, and they have sandwiches including turkey and cheese hoagies, Italian caprese, Cubano sandwiches. Over here they have combos. You can get food and drink combos including sandwiches, bentos, and you could get a beer and seltzer combo as well. On the other side here they have all the drinks, so you could get beers, wines, and champagnes, spirits, and so on. You can even get extras like playing cards, earbuds, charging cables, and so on. There's even aspirin and Tylenol and Advil available for sale as well. They're pretty much trying to have everything for you on board while you enjoy your ride down to South Florida. Keep in mind, folks, that they have outlets for charging. There's also USB-A ports in between every seat, so you have USB-A's along with 2 outlets, so you can charge your laptops, your phone, and other electronics and accessories while you're on your ride, which is very important, obviously. They have overhead bins as well where you can store your luggage, similar to an airplane, except that it's open, it doesn't close. There's also additional areas for luggage storage. We're about half an hour into our ride right now, and it's absolutely pouring still. It's about that time where we're gonna check out the bathroom on board the train. Let's go check that out and see what it's like. pretty spacious actually. This is probably one of the largest train washrooms I've ever been in. They have everything you need. Toilet paper, we have a sink right here, and the doors operate automatically, as you can see. There's also an emergency button down here that you can use your foot to press. There's a garbage bin just here right beside the sink, and it is a smoke-free washroom, so you can't smoke in here. And then there's a baby changing station just right here. We'll definitely be making use of that as we have our newborn on the train with us. There's also accessible seating areas, as you can see right here. So we just arrived at West Palm Beach Brightline station here. We're only here at West Palm Beach for about 3 minutes. It's not a long stop at all. I'll quickly show you guys what the platform looks like, and this is what it looks like from the other side here. We're now headed towards our next stop at Boca Raton, and then after that we'll be in Fort Lauderdale, and then the final stop is Miami. We're just leaving West Palm Beach station right now.
Welcome aboard. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the safety and emergency exit information located in the seat back pocket in front of you. Scan the QR code at your seat to order food, beverages, and travel items delivered to you.
Escanee el código QR en su asiento para ordenar comida, bebidas y artículos de viaje que les serán entregados.
This train is heading south to Miami with the next stop in Aventura. Take a moment to look at your ticket and ensure you're seated in the right coach and assigned seat.
Welcome to Miami. Have a bright day.
Bienvenido a Miami. Gracias.
Here we are, peeps. We've just arrived in Miami and we're heading to Miami Central right now. I'm going to show you what the Brightline station looks like here. Alright peeps, this is what it looks like at the Miami Central station for Brightline. Pretty similar to Orlando. They have the same Mary Mary bar and lounge right here, and then further down in the back they have their premium lounge. And that's the escalators over there to get up to the actual station where you hop on the train. Check this out, peeps. An industrious pod. So you basically come here with your laptop if you need to do some work, and you lock yourself in this pod to get some work done. Very interesting stuff here at the Miami Central Station for Brightline. There you have it, folks. We just took Brightline all the way from Orlando International Airport southbound to Miami Central Station. So we just arrived in Miami. You can see the Brightline train we rode right behind me here. We're gonna let you see what the Brightline station here at Miami Central is like, and that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Was a great experience. They had a lot of amenities on the train, bathrooms, food for purchase. They had travel accessories, cards, etc. Everything to keep you occupied while you're riding from Orlando to Miami. Very good experience. The train was pretty fast, like an average of about 180 kilometers an hour or 115 miles per hour. Not bad at all. We got here pretty quickly. Got down from Orlando to Miami in about 3 hours exactly. So we left at 6:50 a.m. and we just got down here in Miami at about 10:15 a.m. Yeah, that's pretty fast. They had slated for us to get here at 10:30 and we got here at 10:15. Pretty impressive train experience. I don't take trains that much, but this one was a really good experience. Unlike the Amtrak we took last time, which gave us a lot of issues on our way from Toronto Union Station to New York Penn Station. Not that I won't take Amtrak again, but Brightline is a solid experience. So if you are looking to travel anywhere between the South Florida cities of Miami, Aventura, Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, West Palm Beach, or Orlando, you can definitely look into Brightline. I know they do have deals on weekends as well, so check out some of those on the Brightline website. Go on brightline.com and you can see those deals. It costs us $160 for 2 adults, 2 children. Our children are under 3 years old, so they were free, but you would have to pay for children who are older than 3 years old. They do get a special children's price, so keep that in mind as well. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna explore Miami, check out Miami Beach, and we'll have another video for you coming up on the Fontainebleau Miami Beach, so stay tuned for that. We are gonna see you in the next one. If you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe to the channel. We will have a lot of videos here in Florida coming in the next few weeks. Leave a like on the video if you like this type of content, and we will see you in our next video. Take care. Peace out from Miami Central Station.